Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are searching for a best portable wheelchair ramps, there are a few key features that you should be looking out for: the top 5 best portable wheelchair ramps that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. MABIS DMI Portable Wheelchair Ramp. Lightweight, portable, telescopic, retractable, and adjustable are the keywords for this type of wheelchair ramp. Unlike our other introduced products, they come in 2 separate tracks. Each track can support 300 pounds. The ramp itself is very light, only 6 pounds weight per track. Together with the adjustable functions, it makes this product one of the most convenient portable ramps available. Simple push-button locks let you adjust the length of the tracks from 3 to 5 feet. The inner tracks are 4 inches wide, and the track rails have a height of 2.25 inches. This telescopic ramp is not recommended for powered wheelchairs or scooters, and the passenger should have an assistant supporting for secure usage. At number 4. Titan 7-foot Portable Wheelchair Ramp. This Titan 7-foot foldable wheelchair ramp is an excellent choice for porches, curbs, landings, steps. Its foldable design makes its storage and transportation easy and convenient. The ramp can take up to 600 pounds load, making it suitable for all sorts of mobility vehicles. This means not only manual wheelchairs but also scooters and electric wheelchairs can bridge safely over steps and curbs. Angled lips provide extra safety and prevent the ramp from sliding when in use. At number 3. HomCom Folding Portable Suitcase Ramp. HomCom wheelchair ramp is flexible and long to cover longer inclines. Its skid-proof surface prevents slipping in any weather conditions. It is extra safe thanks to the side guardrails, ensuring that you will not skid and fall, even if the wheelchair is not aligned straight and centered. When not in use, this wheelchair ramp can be folded and stored. The folding function allows you to carry the ramp in your car to have at hand in challenging territory outside your home. The lightweight but strong and stable aluminum frame guarantees long durability. At number 2. Easy Access Suitcase Ramp Signature Series. The Easy Access portable wheelchair ramp is constructed in a single fold design. This enables it to be folded in half and easily carried along outside your home or workplace. This wheelchair ramp is suitable to bridge curbs in one step. An important safety feature is the bottom plates of this wheelchair ramp, which are self-adjusting. You do not need to tilt the wheelchair to get onto the ramp. The stable ramps are slip-resistant and provide you a safe grip in all weather conditions. At number 1. Titan Portable Folding Briefcase. The Titan wheelchair ramp is ideal for bridging one-step inclines. It is covered with a durable, rough traction tape for your safety and to keep you from sliding or slipping. This lightweight and portable wheelchair ramp is ideal for being taken along also outside your home or workplace. It can be folded to the size of a small suitcase. The ramp is very secure and handy. It can support any wheelchair and even scooters. Furthermore, it is compact in size, but the full width of 30 inches makes it ideal for all types of wheelchairs, manual and electric, walkers, and even baby strollers. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.